Ready to explore options trading but intimidated by the complexity? If you think options are only for experts, you're not alone. Today, we're getting started with options trading on the Schwab platform. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. Options give you the right to buy or sell a stock at a specific price by a certain date. They can be used for income, protection, or speculation. Step 1. Get options approval. Before trading options, you need approval. Go to Account Settings and apply for options trading. Schwab will ask about your experience and assign an appropriate level, 1 to 5, based on your knowledge and risk tolerance. Step 2. Use the options trade ticket. Once approved, when you look up a stock, you'll see an Options tab. Here you can view available contracts, select strike prices and expiration dates, and place calls or puts. And that leads to my crucial pro tip. Start with covered calls on stocks you already own. The safest way to begin options trading is writing covered calls, selling call options against stocks you already own. This generates income with defined risk, unlike buying options where you can lose your entire premium. So, just like that, you're equipped to start exploring options strategies. Beginning with lower risk approaches goes a long way in learning while managing risk. Now I'm curious, what's your experience level with options? Beginner, intermediate, or advanced? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.